friends, welcome back to my channel Think. This is Satriyavarman. Today in our channel we are going to see about motion and time. So without delaying, let's go into the video. Before going into the video, subscribe our channel to get our notifications immediately. Okay, now let's go into the video. First let us see what is speed. Speed is nothing but the movement of an object is a unit time is called speed. Speed we can measure as speedometers in vehicles. In vehicles, for measuring speed we use speedometer, and the speed means the movement of an object is a unit time is called speed. And the speed is the distance covered divided by the time taken. And this is the important point. Speed equation, speed formula is speed is equal to distance covered divided by time taken, not multiplication, divided by time taken. This is speed. Now we know what is definition of speed and the equation of speed. Now let's see what is two types of motion they are there. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. These are the two types of motion. Another four types of motions are there. I'll upload it in next video. They are another four types of motions are rectilinear motion, periodic motion, circular motion, and oscillatory motion. These are four another types of motion, but these two are basic motion, that are uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion is nothing but the object traveling in straight line at a constant speed. This is the definition of uniform motion. Shortly we can say it can cover equal distance and as well as equal distance in an equal time. If the object is moving in a straight line at a constant speed, then it is called uniform motion. Second one is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion is just opposite to the uniform motion. The type of motion in which the object travels with a varied speed is called non-uniform motion. For understanding easily, I'll tell you a short definition. Uniform motion takes equal distance and also equal time, but the non-uniform motion takes equal distance but does not take equal time. Then it is called non-uniform motion. Now we know two types of motion. Once again I will repeat the definition and the types of motion. First one is uniform motion. Uniform motion means the motion traveling in a straight line with a constant speed. Second one, non-uniform motion. The motion which travels at a varied speed is called non-uniform motion. Now we know the two types of motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion, and speed and the equation of speed. Now let's see about simple pendulum. Simple pendulum is nothing but consists of a mass hanging from a string of length L and fixed at a pivot P. Simple pendulum is a very easy concept. I'll tell you, simple pendulum is nothing but a pendulum clock is an example of periodic motion. A pendulum clock has a string and tied the string with corner as metallic ball. That is called pendulum. That clock is called pendulum, but simple pendulum is nothing but a string. The string will be given and the end of the string a metallic ball or a stone will be tied. That is called simple pendulum. This is a short definition for simple pendulum. I have given you also the simple pendulum image. First image you can see the tied string is called long and the metallic ball is there, no? That one is called bob. Metallic ball or stone. That point is called bob. And the second image you can see that it moves from center to side. This type of motion is called oscillatory motion. I have told you about this in four types of motion. Oscillatory motion and periodic motion are the same definition, same concept. Oscillatory motion is nothing but a simple pendulum. It takes one oscillation. Again it moves side to side. That is called Oscillation. Oscillatory motion is defined as the to and fro motion of the body about its fixed position. Another name is periodic motion. As I told, the another name of oscillatory motion is periodic motion. And the how to calculate oscillatory, I'll tell you now. Oscillatory, take a string mean thread, a long thread. Take a long thread, take a small stone. If you have metallic ball, you can use it metallic ball. Since I don't have metallic ball, I am telling you to take a stone and tie the stone in the end of the long thread and move it. Move it means you catch the thread at one end and just move it. Then if it goes from right to left and left to right one round, then that is one oscillation. This is the way we count oscillation. Now let's see this SI unit of time, second. Then SI unit for meter per second. Yes, the SI unit of time is the second. The SI unit of speed is the ratio of 2, the meter per second. This is the SI units of time and speed. This is an important point. Note this. Next we are going to see about graph. Graph, we know what is graph. In maths we use graph. In physics we have three types of graph. First one bar graph, second one line graph, third one pie chart. Now let me explain, not explain, just to tell you the basic of these graphs. We will see this in next videos as we have. First one, bar graph. Bar graph is nothing but the second image, as I have given you. Second image, how I'll tell you an example. If in a class there in a place, Salem, 28 degree Celsius sun is there, and Coimbatore 29 degree, and Tiruchirappalli we have 30 degree. Then these three places to compare, we use bar graph. Which is the highest mean? The Tiruchirappalli 30 degree has the highest, and second one is the Coimbatore, and third one we have Salem. So that it will show the bar as like this shown in the picture. Next one is line graph. Line graph is nothing but if a plant grows daily, the graph is given mean, we can use line graph for measuring this, because line graph helps us to draw a line and we can reach which is the highest, in which day it has grown highest and which day it has grown least. We can find it easily. That is called line graph. Third one, pie chart. Pie chart is nothing but if air percentage is given, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, then carbon dioxide 1%. If it is given, for dividing this we use pie chart. I have given an example. I gave example as how much water we use chart. These are three types of graph. That's all for today. Once again I'll repeat what we have done today. First we saw about speed. The equation of speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Next, two types of motion and another 4 types of motion we saw. That one I'll explain it in next video. 2 types of motion, uniform and non-uniform motion. Next we saw about simple pendulum setup. An easy setup, I have told you, it is a periodic as well as oscillatory motion. Next we saw about oscillatory motion. Another name for oscillatory motion is periodic motion. Next we saw about the SI unit of time and the SI unit of speed and velocity. Velocity and speed are the same meaning, so no confusion. Next we saw about graph, which are 3 types: bar graph, line graph, pie chart. That's all we saw about in this video. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.